of the viewers of you will connected to the DK Guru YouTube channels, and today we discuss about the chemical compound which is called the washing soda. Today we discuss the washing soda, and the chemical name of the washing soda is the sodium carbonate, and its molecular formula is the Na2CO3. So don't waste time. We study how can you prepare the washing soda in the laboratory. So you prepare the washing soda in the laboratory when the sodium hydroxide is dissolved into the carbon dioxide. When the sodium hydroxide is dissolved into the carbon dioxide, then the sodium carbonate is obtained, and which is evaporate. We obtain the crystal of the sodium carbonate. The reaction is that when 2NaOH plus CO2 gives Na2CO3 plus H2O. That means in the laboratory, when we pass out the carbon dioxide gas on the sodium hydroxide, then the sodium carbonate solution is obtained. After the evaporation, we obtain the crystal of the sodium carbonate. The two important industrial method is the Solvay ammonia soda method and Leblanc method. We shall discuss in this method in the another video. Now to take the our concentration on the physical property of the sodium washing soda. The physical property of the washing soda is the first property. It is a white crystalline powder. So washing soda is a white crystalline powder, and second is it is highly soluble in the water. It is highly soluble in the water. Washing soda is highly soluble in the water. You note down it. And when washing soda is free out in the dry air, then it form the monohydrate. Then it form the monohydrate. On leaving the free in the air, it form the monohydrate. So now discuss some important chemical property, and the first chemical property is the effect of the heat. Effect of the heat is a very important in the examination point of view. Many times it shall be asked what on effect of heating when washing soda is heated. So on heating, the washing soda form the dehydrated washing soda. That means sodium carbonate on heating loses its water molecule. Reaction is that it is the formula of the washing soda, you know, but it included the 10 H2O molecule. On heating, it loses the H2O molecule and form the dehydrated washing soda, that is sodium carbonate. I hope you will clear about it. And next chemical property is the reaction with the carbon dioxide. It is also a very important property. Reaction with the carbon dioxide. When the sodium carbonate is react with the carbon dioxide, then baking powder, that is sodium bicarbonate is formed. Reaction is the baking soda, that means eating soda. So when sodium carbonate react with the carbon dioxide, then the baking soda is formed. It is an important reaction. That means you can change the washing soda into the baking soda. So it is very important. Now we study about the uses of the washing soda. You can note down it. It is a use as a conversion of the hard water into soft water. First use of the washing soda is that it is used in the conversion of the hard water into soft water. It is used as a reagent in the laboratory. It is used in the making of glass and making of soap, and it is also used in the making of the paper and cloth industry. It is used in the baking soda. It is used in the making baking soda, And the important uses of the washing soda is the extraction of metal, that is metallurgical process. And the last uses of the washing soda is it is used in the making the paint and borax. So keep watching. If you like the video, then like, share and subscribe. You are very important for your family and friend. So stay home and safe home. Thank you very much.